Ready to ride the fastest trains in the world? Let's go. Euro 6, Euro 55. Top 10 fastest trains in 2025. China Maglev 2.0, 1000 km/h, 620 mph. Shanghai to Beijing in under 2 hours. L0 series. Maglev, 603 km/h, 375 by Vornibur. Japan's Floating Bullet, fastest tested Maglev, CR400 AF, Fuxinghao, 420 km/h, 261 mph. Operational on multiple high-speed routes. TGV-M, Avelia Horizon, 400 km/h, 249 mph. France's next-gen TGV with smart features. Hemu 430X, 421 km/h, 262 mph. South Korea's experimental marvel. Freccia Rossa, 1,000, 400 km/h, 249 mph. Italy's luxury speed combo. Talgo Avril, 380 km/h, 236 mph. Ultra-light Spanish train. CRH 380A Harmony, 380 km/h, 236 mph. Blends design and aerodynamic power. ICE 4, Siemens, 360 km/h, 224 mph. Germany's smooth and efficient express. Brightline West, under construction, 300 km/h, 186 mph. America's new hope in high-speed rail.